times table. So let's start. 28 into 1. We have to first do double of 1. Double of 1 is 2, and now we will put 0 plus multiply 1 into 8 is 8. 28. In this way we will write up to 10. 28 into 10. So now this is 28 into 2. Double of 2 is 4. Put 0 plus 2 into 8. 16. And this is 56. 28 into 3. Double of 3 is 6. Put 0 plus 3 into 8. 24. This is 84. 28 into 4. Double of 4 is 8. Put 0 plus 8 into 4 is 32, equal to 2 and 11, 112. 28 into 5. Double of 5 is 10. Put 0 plus 5 into 8. 40. 140. 28 into 6. Double of 6 is 12. Put 0 plus 8 into 6. 8 into 6 is 48. 168. 28 into 7. Double of 7 is 14. Put 0 plus 7 into 8 is 56. 196. Now 28 into 8. Double of 8 is 16. Put 0 plus 8 into 8. 64. 422. 28 into 9. Double of 9 is 18. Put 0 plus 8 into 9 is 72. It is 252. 28 into 10 we all know is 280. Now with this trick we can write 28 times table anywhere without learning anything. So see how. If you want 28 into 7 in your calculation, you can just write double of 7 is 14. Put 0 plus 7 into 8 is 56. And this is 196. 28 into 3. Double of 3 is 6. Put 0 plus 3 into 8 is 24. This is 84. I hope this trick will help you in your calculation and give you correct answer easily. Thank you for watching and do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell button for notification update. Have a nice day.